What up, YouTube? Guess what? It came. It's here. It's finally here. The Yozma IN10. This video is not sponsored by Yozma. The funds did come out of my own pocket, so I would appreciate a like and a subscribe if you can. It doesn't take long, only 2 seconds, literally. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube, of course, explaining the unboxing and all that. We're gonna skip through that because I don't got time for that shit. But enough of yapping. Let's get this show on the road.
Yeah. Ricky sliding on that vulture beat, all through Miami. Started on the back road, streets full throttle. Frankie had the vision, never needed no model. Dirt on his boots, but it's my stay polished.
Before we get started, here are some quick specs on the Yozma IN10. For the motor, we have a 2,600 watt peak direct drive brushless motor boasting a top speed of 40 miles per hour. For the suspension, we have a front hydraulic fork and a rear nitrogen air shock. For the brakes, we have front and rear hydraulic disc brakes. And for the tires, we're going to have 14 in the front, 12 in the rear.
But yeah, that's enough yapping. Let's get this show on the road, unbox it, and see what we got going on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
3 hours later.
Okay. The battery's fully charged. Let's take the Yozma IN10 on its first maiden voyage. Hey, we have life. Out of my way. Oh yeah, this shit got some speed to it. And it makes sound effects for the kids. Yo, what up YouTube? It's a brand new day. Yesterday when I was setting up the Yozma, it started to rain and the weather is still not letting up. I originally got the Yozma for Cool Kid's birthday. I was originally gonna get him a Hyper-B, but he wanted a Yozma instead, and I'm like, shoot, let me save a couple bucks. We're gonna pick him up from school early today, surprise him with his brand new Yozma, and get a reaction out of him. See when we get there. We're gonna surprise Cool Kid AJ with his next gift. Are you ready, Cool Kid?
No.
In 3, 2, 1, surprise! You don't like it?
It's the same thing, bro.
But it's faster. Look at that. It's cleaner. It got a little dust there, but it's cleaner.
It's faster?
Yeah.
How?
I put a faster motor on it.
How fast it goes now?
It goes pretty fast. I put a brand new motor on it, so it's faster, bruh.
Look to your left.
How you feel about that?
My left, this one? Yozma, brand new throttle. Go see how fast it goes. See, phone case. What is this?
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
What do you think?
I'm gonna take this off. I'm trying to ride.
You trying to ride?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Size comparison with the Yozma IN10 and the Studio Soleil 01. The Yozma and the Studio looks like about the same height, but I would say the Studio, the bars are a bit higher, what makes it look a lot taller.
You put the foot stand on? Yeah.
It's your bike, you better learn.
Oh, that was easy.
And there we have it. Studio and Yozma IN10. Safe to say he's loving it. He definitely has to get used to it, so he's so used to riding the 2-deal. My 2-deal is so damn loud. I'm gonna take him to the field so he can practice his turns. Because the turn radius on the 2-deal is a lot bigger than the Yozma, which I noticed. That could be one of the problems he's having right now. Slow it down, slow it down. Look at him go, look at him go. Oh my gosh. You need to practice your turning, homeboy. Yeah. Hey now. Hey now. I saw that. Rookie. Come on, let's go. Around the block. He's more comfortable riding the 2-deal. Look at him, look at him. That's why you gotta be careful. That's why you supposed to, you cut yourself too. Let's go. The boy took a crash. But at least he didn't cry. Thank God. You all right? Huh? Okay, let's go so we can put alcohol on it. I said, I know that my shit anywhere. Vibing. Same old shit.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna hit you if anything, dog. I got this nigga in the whip.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go drop him off, dog.
Alright, my bro. Are you ready for the fire?
You pour too much, man.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
What in the world? Alright, brief intermission. We'll switch into the Ultra Beat in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And boom, there we have it. With the power of editing, I transformed my 2-deal into my Ultra Beat. Let's ride. And there we have it, YouTube. The Yozma IN10. As you can see, cool kid took a bad fall, but got right back up and kept pushing. Cool kid fell down and got right back up. Now that's how you ride a Yozma. You don't quit. You don't quit. You're not a quitter. Until next time, YouTube. Peace.